The grass looks very different today.
It is freezing outside.
I must move carefully.
The lawn is white and silver.
Let's see how it feels. Oh.
It sounds like a snack. Crunch. 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 Crunch.
The ice feels very sharp.
Hi, Brads. I can see my breath.
The sun is trying to wake up. Everything is frozen today.
This seat is too cold.
The grass is very stiff.
I love the winter garden.
Can you hear the bird? The bird is keeping warm.
The water is now a rock. The wind is getting strong. The pond is sleeping.
The ice is very thick.
This tree stays green. Listen to my fast feet. The leaves are broken now.
My face is very warm inside.
The gate is noisy today. The house looks cozy. The ice is disappearing here. The water is free now. Hello. Hello to my long friend.
Soft wool is the best.
I can see Giselle.
Oh, I can see myself.
It is time to go in.
My boots are damp.
Let's go to the kitchen. Oh, Di! The house feels wonderful. This smells very fresh. I am warm now.
I made those tracks. Those tracks.
The glass is warm here. The glass is warm here.
The cat is smart to stay in.
It is a new day. How you way. Thank you, little scarf. Ooh, whoa. I need more tea. Water for my cup. I love Swangscow, my family. Nature is art. I like this sound. That was a good walk. Delicious, delicious. Fly high, little bird.
This is my favorite spot.
Oh. My head is warm now. The ice has turned to rain. The crunch is gone. Time for a story. Goodbye, winter, winter garden. Home is the best place. That was a good story. Okay, let's start. I am ready, Festa, for you, Fratita, war they, day.
I hope you had fun too. Mar les. Park pres. Ar for nay. Ar wark round mess. Mart for traus.
See you tomorrow, Coat.
The frosted garden has finished its beautiful transformation.
The winter landscape is silent and very stable today.
Nature is full of magic.